Are you ready to transform your indoor gardening experience? Introducing the Misting 15 Pods Hydroponic Growing System. Herb Garden Kit, a 2024 innovation that takes plant growth to the next level. With its advanced atomizing technology, this system delivers nutrients and oxygen directly to the roots, improving absorption efficiency by 50%. The result? Faster, healthier plant growth and well-developed root systems. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers, this hydroponic kit ensures a thriving garden with minimal effort. One standout feature of this system is its quiet heated pump, designed for efficient and peaceful operation. Unlike noisy alternatives, this pump increases water temperature by 35 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal winter conditions while remaining nearly silent. The smart pump cycles between 30 minutes of misting and 30 minutes of rest, ensuring consistent hydration for your plants. Germination speeds up by 50% compared to traditional methods, even in cold weather. This makes it perfect for any indoor environment, allowing you to grow plants year-round without interruptions. If you're tired of constant maintenance, you'll love the 5-liter water tank. It only requires refilling every 2 to 3 weeks, making it ideal for busy schedules or frequent travelers. The kit includes everything you need to start your gardening journey: planting sponges, nutrients, growth domes, and an easy-to-use timer. Full-spectrum LED lights provide 3 growth modes: seedling, vegetative, and flowering, helping your plants grow up to 5 times faster than in soil. This system ensures your garden flourishes effortlessly, even in low-light conditions. With 15 growing pods, this hydroponic system offers significantly more planting capacity than traditional kits, with only 8 or 12 pods. Its adjustable pole extends to 20.8 inches, providing perfect lighting for plants of all sizes, from small herbs to larger vegetables. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this system adapts to your needs, offering abundant growth potential. It's not just a functional tool, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves gardening. Elevate your indoor gardening game today with the Misting 15 Pods Hydroponic Growing System. Happy growing!